Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to Joining with Joy. And it's your girl Chrystal-Joy. Y'all see this? Y'all see? I know you see it. Oh, who is she? Don't necessarily know if this wig is big head friendly. I didn't even adjust the straps from when you saw me take it out the box. I just threw it on. It does look pretty good so far. In terms of the lace color, the lace is already pretty brown. Seems like this thing made my ear fold like that. I got a small head, I've heard. So I've heard my ears are both folded over. So I've seen wigs, they tend to be big on me, but at the same time, like always right here always hurts, but that's because I got a knot in my forehead. I'm liking this color though. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace. Ooh. Let's get to snipping. Snipping, snip, snap. If you want to know what the grid looks like, this is what the grid on the lace is like. And this is the lace. Put my hand behind it. Let's do it that way. All right, that's one side and the other side to go. All right, now that the lace is cut, what is baby hairs? I didn't even really realize that those are supposed to be baby hairs. They are so wispy, which is actually pretty good. I feel like a lot of wigs will have like super thick ones. But anyhow, again, with the wig. Where's my hairline? There's my hairline. Put it right in front. I don't know if y'all can see. Moving. But so far, this is what the lace is looking like. I have not put any makeup on it. It's blending pretty good so far. I feel like it's very hard to find a wig that will really just match my skin color off rip for the lace color. But this obviously still needs makeup, and I am getting some shedding. Yep. So the unit does shed and it does tangle. Just a disclaimer, it's an aesthetic wig. It's gonna happen, but yeah, we can see had that lace right there. Very detectable. It's cute or whatever. Ooh, that was one here. Oh, more hairs. Shedding. But these colors, like if y'all ever, okay, not even if y'all ever, go and look up Lori Swank. If you don't, I'm probably just gonna put her on the screen so y'all can see her. Yes, she's a Black celebrity stylist. Her hair is always, when I say always, her hair is always blue. There was one picture of her with a blue bob like this where I had like white and light blue highlights, and ever since then I was like, I want my hair to look like that. Whether or not it be a unit, whatever, but I'm so happy that I found this, because let's see how far we can go over this way. How far over any part? Oh, I think that's the end of it right there. Yeah, that's the end part. So, oh, it's pretty good. It's 13 by 4. Oh, no, is that track right? That's a track. I feel like this is a good hairline. I don't know. I'm not really one to tell. If you guys think it is, then all right, this is just my opinion. I ain't fussy about it. It looked good to me. All right, let's try and get a part in here. I wanted it over there, but it's clearly not gonna work. So let's get it where we can get it. I have hair in my mouth. This is why I don't wear long units, because I just tangles. I don't want to deal with a whole bunch of hair all over the place. I feel like it's super annoying. Okay, that part in space is, can y'all see that? That part in space is pretty nice. I know I am a baby. I think my guy's a cabby. You've been watching too much TikTok. Y'all go follow me on TikTok. I really don't post that much, but I'm trying to get into it. This is cute though. This is cute. I like this. Oh, this is very me. Blue, fun. Oh, that one little white right there. Oh, I'm gonna turn around. Look. Oh, can you see what my phone is? I don't know. Y'all can see. That's the back right there. That's right. You a cute girl. You. Ooh. That side little, it just calmed me, y'all. If I actually like took a hot comb or something to this and like sort of laid that part right there. But ooh, just this side right here. Just this is just giving me life. Oh, I am loving this. I don't regret this at all. I'm so happy that I bought this. Let's get a part somewhere else. Get folks some range. She is fire. More like ice. Still cute. Yes. I'm silly. I'm so silly. This is not even glued down. I ain't even putting nothing on the lace. I'm just here having fun, y'all. Straight down the middle. Now this lace is for chocolate girls. This is definitely like a darker skin girl, like a chocolate baby girl. Like chocolate milk chocolate, dark chocolate. This way right here, this lace, this is for us. This is for us. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go and get the powder and do that right now. Let's see if that will change how it looks and give y'all more finished product. What lace? What lace? I am silly. Ooh, sort of got in the hair. Got a nice little brown tint to it. Can I get that out? Oh. Whatever. If you got any techniques on how to put makeup on your wig but not get it on the hair, please let me know. Because clearly I am struggling. Ooh, yeah, you can see it all up in there. Brown right there. Probably just wasn't holding the wig at a proper angle. I probably have to wash it to get it out. Whatever. Hi guys. Like, can we just, I know you can see it right there. When this is glued down, can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna try it on the other side since I got makeup all over the other side. All right, guys, I think that's it. If you like this wig, if you like the video, go ahead, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And follow me on TikTok.